Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to learn musical notes quickly. We will start by understanding the basic structure of the musical staff, which has 5 lines and 4 spaces. Focus on the 7 natural notes, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Knowing these fundamentals is your first step towards rapid note recognition. We'll cover both treble and bass clef, giving you a solid foundation for reading music. For the treble clef, remember the lines spell "every good boy does fine." The spaces are even easier, spelling out the word face. Use these simple mnemonics to quickly identify notes. Consistent practice, perhaps with flashcards for 10 minutes each day, will solidify your understanding and speed up your recognition significantly. Now let's tackle the bass clef. The lines here spell "good boys do fine always." For the spaces, simply remember "all cows eat grass." These phrases are incredibly helpful for memorizing the notes. Dedicate a few minutes daily to reviewing these, and you'll be reading bass clef notes with confidence in no time. To truly master note reading, consistent practice is key. Utilize online quizzes or apps for interactive learning, and aim for 10 to 15 minutes of practice daily. This regular engagement will dramatically improve your speed and accuracy. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.